Hi guys, today I want to show you this OpenEarRing earbuds from TOZO. I've already tested a pair of in-ear earbuds from TOZO and they've been working really good. They have performed absolutely awesome. So I think it's a really good brand. But here we are talking about total different thing. Here we are talking about the OpenEarRing design. The idea is very similar to the open-ear headphones, but they are much smaller, probably much more comfortable to wear. The open-ear headphones have never fully convinced me, so I wanted to try these ones here. So I'm going to take them out of the box, show you what to get, how to use, and then I'm going to let you know what I think, how they are performing. Everything comes nicely protected, and so they come in this very small, very lightweight, convenient cradle. It's not only a carry case, it's also a charging cradle. The runtime of the earbuds are already whopping 10 hours, but we can charge it in total 3 times from the cradle. So we get a total of 40 hours of runtime. That's pretty impressive. Thanks to some nano coating, they are also IPX5 waterproof. They come with a modern USB-A to USB-C charging cable. They support very modern Bluetooth 5.4 and they are super lightweight with only 5.1 grams per earbud. And so we have to remove the charging protection here, very easy visible. With some other brands, the protection is very difficult to see, difficult to remove, so much better here. And to charge, we just put them here inside. If they seem to not fit, something like that, then it's on the wrong side. So make sure that you put the left one on the left side and the right one on the right side. There's an L and an R here imprinted, very easy. You can see they have a very good magnetic hold, and as soon as they are inside, we get also really good charging information. So we can see the charge level of the cradle and also of each earbud. That's very good. That's one of my biggest complaints with some other brands, that we don't have real good information. So much better here. The set comes with 2 instructions manual, 1 full instructions manual and a quick guide. They are very easy to read, easy to understand, and so it's also easy to connect these earbuds. So we are taking them out. And by the way, I'm wearing already one here. And the crazy thing, actually, I was looking for the second earbud now for 2 minutes because I thought I have placed it somewhere, but I have been wearing it here in my ear and didn't even notice. That's the best proof that they are super lightweight, and it's almost impossible to feel anything even after longer time, because I had it here already for about 15 minutes and I couldn't feel anything. By the way, it's pretty easy also to put them on. We have 2 sides. We have the larger charging part and we have the smaller speaker part, and the part with the speaker goes actually into the ear, and the battery part is actually outside. So you can separate this a little bit. You can easily do it with one hand, separate it a little bit and then push it over your ear. I think it has a pretty good hold. Even when I shake my head pretty hard, there is nothing moving. I don't have the impression that it will fall off or so. It's also easy to connect. You can go to the Bluetooth settings, go down to the available devices. And so I have already here the TOZO OpenEarRing. Can just click on it. It says pairing. If you want, you can also allow the contacts and call history. Click on pair. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. And so here we have it already. In the Bluetooth settings, you can also see the level of battery charge. And if you want to enhance the listening experience, for example, use even the equalizer, then you can find the free TOZO app in the Play Store or Apple App Store. Very important to give all the authorizations to the app. Then we click on the plus, take out the earbuds, hold them very close to the phone, and then they will list up and you can click and connect. And I have already done that. It was really easy. And there's even some guide and you have all the possibilities now. For example, this equalizer mode where you can change everything. There are also some presets which you can use. You can see really nice. And so I have it on bass plus. And so let's put them on again. Also right one. By the way, already with the app which YouTube was playing before, I could already understand the voice is really clear. That's already really good. Let's see if we get some bass sound. Pretty good. Yeah, okay. Of course, it's not exactly the same thing as with in-ear earbuds, but compared to the normal open-ear headphones, that's a huge improvement. Definitely no doubt about that. Definitely no more reasons to buy open-ear headphones. The OpenEarRing design is definitely the much better solution, and I can still understand everything what's going around me. Yeah, I think the perfect compromise. But we can not only listen to music with these earbuds, we can also make hands-free phone calls. I've tested already microphone quality and it seemed to be really good, at least decent for such earbuds. TOZO OpenEarRing, microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And based off what I've seen, they have also really good built-in noise cancellation capability. Another very positive aspect of these earbuds is the easy control. We have some sensor area here right in the back. So when you hold your hands like that and you touch with your thumb from the back, you will feel there is some kind of a flat area, and there you have a lot of options. For example, double tap to start, stop, triple tap to skip to the next track or go back to the previous track. With 4 times pressing, you can invoke the voice assistant. With long press either here or here, you can increase or decrease the volume. By the way, if you have to reset the earbuds, you have to add the earbuds and then press 10 seconds in the back on this reset button. So overall, definitely a very amazing set. Awesome new style, new possibilities. Surprised me a lot. Definitely huge upgrade compared to normal open ear headphones. And so I think we cannot complain, especially not for the very low price. Currently only around $30 on Amazon. And so if you're interested, you can find the link where you can buy them directly in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order a pair for you if you like. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these earbuds, then just let us know down in the feedback area. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.